Today we will discuss the hidden cost of disorder. Whatever, if your factory is losing money and you don't see it. When I first walked into XYZ companies, a mid-sized production facility in Lahore, nothing appeared to be broken. Machines were running, orders were shipping, but reality was different. Average tool search time 12 to 15 minutes per shift. On time delivery 68%. Rework rate 8.5%. Space utilization efficiency 55%. Minor accident 4 per month. Operations blamed planning, and planning blames procurement, and procurement blamed ultimately to production. The real issue, workplace disorder and lack of visual controls. No structured system, no ownership, no standardization. Leadership initially thought 5S was just a cleaning. But what they are actually missing was operational discipline. The journey began with one critical question: are we willing to fix the system, not just the symptoms? Are we willing to fix the systems, not only symptoms?